Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a really simple way how we can transfer ownership in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be simple in Wix, and when you're going to be here, you want to be in a main dashboard, and when you're going to be here, click Site Actions and Transfer Site. So right here, you just want to, who will be the new site owner, and you just add here the email address, and you can keep yourself as admin of this site after the transfer, or create a copy of this site and keep it in my account. So we just add here like the email, and you just send it to him. Click next. You will remain admin of the site at transfer, create a copy of the site, and voila, this is how you do it. So this is how you can transfer a site in Wix. And have a great day and goodbye.